Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I just want to have this as a generic civil justice sign off. Whatever I want for the civil justice, for I am displaying the USA government errors, public sector errors, private sector errors, and how USA government operations got destroyed, and for displaying the absolute monarchs scandal. I, Vedapriya Prose, wanted these civil justice to be provided to me. Okay, so I'll just read this sign off so that it will be in all these other sessions. Okay, so for I, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, and true owner of USA, and proved USA is Tamil Nadu, and I, Vedapriya Prose, have highest impasse eligibility to lead USA. I must be the interim leader of USA now is civil justice served. And for I, Vedapriya Prose, displayed USA government errors and the scandal of absolute monarchs to USA government. I, Vedapriya Prose, for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want United States of America nation to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name Vedapriya is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations, now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Family Law and Supreme Chief Children Judge for all nations is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations, to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organizations, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Export, Department of Military in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India, and I, Vedapriya Prose, should get dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And thank you all for your time. Take care, my dear fellow mankind. I sure will get civil justice for entire human kingdom in 1 minute. Thank you all for your time. Bye for now. USA, all nations, and 7.9 plus billions of humans. I hope we are all on the same page on this regard that I'm providing a very, very crucial, very, very important, highest priority civil justice sign off for myself, and it is a multitasking is the wisdom. So with that said, I will quickly read through this civil justice sign off so that we all can be on the same page. For I, Vedapriya Prose, proved scandal of absolute monarchs and proved Pope Francis is Roman Empire King Herod as of February 2021. Any salary as in tax-free billions of dollars USA government can provide effective immediate using direct deposit to my bank account. I am Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Israelite tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, true owner of all nations worldwide can help me. So scandal phases of Republica Europe nations worldwide is Republica at fault found guilty, prostitutes of at fault found guilty of fatal negligence, USA Republic government, and at fault found guilty of fatal negligence, USA Democrat government, created the USA FCC telecommunications. The type of services is computer products nations. Agencies created robocall poverty mandate. So when you're telling computer products are laptops, the computers, the televisions, the smart TVs, the smartphones, and the Amazon Alexa, the Google Home, like that. So those are all come under the umbrella of computer product nations, right? So they should have that robocall prevention programs, but they do not. So that is $1 trillion error, right? So that is what the civil justice is all about. So I will repeat that one more time. USA, FCC Telecommunications, Computer Products Nations agencies created robocall poverty mandate is proved and enforced poverty display to I, Vedapriya Prose on October 2018 for Republica government of USA prostitute to steal rightful Supreme Court judge of USA job October 2018 belong to I, Vedapriya Prose. Civil law must be provided now without delay. So the crime it comes under what classification? Domestic violence. You got it. So then that subclassification comes under breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress, causation and injury, battery and types, assault and types, false imprisonment and types, trespass to land and types, trespass to chattels and types. So I, Vedapriya Pro Se, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, own the text of our ongoing civil justice sign-off, and that is at fault found guilty of fatal negligence, USA Republican government and USA Democrat government, as in USA FCC Telecommunications type Computer Products Nations Agency created robocall poverty mandate. How? With fatal negligence, they failed to educate. USA cannot create robocall. That it's a crime, right? If only they would have educated, then they would not have created the robocall poverty domain. Right, so then by being fatal negligent, by never educated, they by default created the Republica USA robocall poverty mandate. So that is $1 trillion crime. Okay, so to I, Vedapriya Pro Se, true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge, and Republican government GOP leader Mitch McConnell, President Trump, Supreme Court Judge Brett Kavanaugh in October 2018 enforced poverty mandate to I, Vedapriya Pro Se, and enforced the finance debt to I $10,000 plus to I, Vedapriya Pro Se since October 2018, 2019, 2020, and as of today I have that finance debt, right? So what is a crime? It is a crime for at fault found guilty of fatal negligence of USA Republican government and fatal negligence of USA Democrat government, and they are all only humans only. So if they are human, then they should know what is human. Isn't it? So when they don't know what is human, then they have to pay the price. Okay. So USA FCC Telecommunications Computer Products Nations agencies created robocall poverty mandate is proved. And when ruling USA, they never educated USA should never provide enforced poverty to I, Vedapriya Pro Se. So civil justices, I, Vedapriya Pro Se, want Citibank CEO to pay off my debt $10,000 plus in full and just sign off tax fee $5,000. And at fault found guilty of fatal negligence, USA Republican government and Democrat government, that is USA FCC Telecommunications Computer Products Nations Agency, created robocall poverty mandate, isn't it, with fatal negligence. So that is a price. That is a price, not surprise. Do not confuse with price with surprise, okay? So must sign off tax-free $500,000 trillion to be direct deposited in my bank account for all types damages done by selfish, cunning Islam, Judaism, absolute monarchs types, wild endangered species, and health creators, and at fault and found guilty, Holy Highness God of USA, Queen Elizabeth II, Pope Francis, and Republican government of USA will provide the needful help accordingly to be on the same page. Okay, take care, my dear fellow mankind. I hope we are all on the same page. Talk to you all soon. Have a good day. Bye for now.